Tired of vacuuming and mopping separately every single time? In 2026, some of Amazon's best-selling vacuum mop combos can do both in one pass, and right now, many of them are on huge flash deals. In this video, I'm ranking 6 top wet and dry floor cleaners based on real sales data, cleaning power, self-cleaning features, and value for money. Let's find out which one actually cleans best and which one is worth your money. Let's find out which one actually cleans best and which one is worth your money. Our 6th product is the Narwal S20 Pro Cordless Vacuum Mop, a premium wet-dry floor cleaner built for heavy daily messes in busy homes. With powerful 20,000 PIR suction and AI dirt sense technology, it automatically adjusts power for spills, pet hair, and sticky dirt. The self-cleaning system washes and dries the brush at high temperature, keeping it fresh and odor-free after every use. Thanks to its lightweight design and 180-degree lie-flat reach, it glides easily under furniture with minimal effort. Right now, it's on a 15% flash deal, dropping from $589. The link is in the description below. Our 5th product is the BROBIG A30 Wet Dry Vacuum Mop, a powerful all-in-one cleaner that replaces your broom, vacuum, and mop in a single device. With strong suction, self-propelled movement, and 4 smart cleaning modes, it handles dry debris and wet spills in one pass. The dual tank system always uses fresh water, while the 180-degree or lie-flat design reaches edges and tight corners with ease. Right now, it's on a 21% flash deal, dropping from $239.99 to just $189.98 to just $189. The link is in the description below. Our 4th product is the BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam Wet Dry Vacuum, a powerful all-in-one cleaner that vacuums, washes, and steams your floors at the same time. Its HydroSteam technology cuts through tough grease and pet messes faster, while the tangle-free brush roll stops hair wrap completely. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, and with one-touch self-cleaning, maintenance is effortless. Right now, it's on a 33% flash deal, dropping from $521. The link is in the description below. Our 3rd product is the Roborock F25 GT Vacuum Mop All-in-One, a powerful cordless floor cleaner built for serious everyday messes. With 20,000 PL suction and fast-spinning rollers, it easily handles pet hair, spills, grease, and dust in one pass. Its low-profile 180-degree to lie-flat design reaches under furniture, while the high-temperature self-cleaning system keeps the brush fresh and odor-free. Right now, it's on a 45% flash deal, dropping from $344.99 to just $189.99. The link is in the description below. Our 2nd product is the Draem H12 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop, a powerful all-in-one cleaner designed for deep, hard floor cleaning. It features smart mess detection that automatically adjusts suction based on dirt levels, plus edge-to-edge cleaning for corners and baseboards. After cleaning, the brush roller dries itself with hot air in just 1 hour, so there's no odor or maintenance hassle. Right now, it's on a 48% flash deal, dropping from $483.99 to just $249.99. The link is in the description below. Our first product is the Tineco iFloor 5 Breeze Complete, a smart all-in-one floor cleaner that vacuums and mops at the same time. It handles both wet and dry messes in one step, so there's no need to sweep before mopping. With its dual tank system and hands-free self-cleaning feature, you're always cleaning with fresh water and a clean roller. It also delivers strong edge cleaning, leaving hard floors dry and streak-free in seconds. Right now, it's on a 55% flash deal, dropping from $534.99 to just $239.99. The link is in the description below.
That's it for today's Amazon deals. All product links are right below. If you want more crazy discounts like these, make sure to subscribe. New deal videos every day. Don't miss the next one.